His name was Fool. Not because he lacked wisdom, but because he had something far more dangerous: fearless faith. Fool lived in a small town where everyone followed rules, routines, and roads already taken. But one morning, with nothing but a backpack, a rose, and a dream, Fool turned his back on everything he knew. His dog, a little white pup named Spirit, barked in confusion. "Where are we going?" Fool smiled. "Wherever the wind takes us." He danced along the edge of a cliff, not seeing danger, only the sky. He sang with the breeze, trusted the silence, and welcomed strangers as if they were old friends. Some said he was naive, others reckless. But Fool didn't listen, because his compass wasn't a map, it was his soul. He slipped, stumbled, and nearly fell a dozen times. But Spirit always barked just in time. And one day, when he reached the top of a mountain that no one had ever dared to climb, he looked down and whispered, "The world called me crazy, but my heart called me home." The fool isn't foolish. He is courage in its purest form. He's the soul at the start of its journey, open, brave, and ready to trust the unknown. When the fool appears, ask yourself, where am I being called to leap? Even if I don't know where I'll land, follow for more magical tarot stories that help you feel the cards, not just memorize them.